Hi, and we're back to ground structures. This could be
water-holding structures such as reservoirs, clear wells, and swimming pools. Permanent negative side repairs of leaking elevator pits, foundations, utility infrastructure, or other buried structures. Engineers and contractors trust water infiltrates concrete, freezes, it expands, and exceeds the concrete's tensile strength, causing concrete to crack and fall. It is often best to inspect. It can and does deteriorate, causing large expenditures in replacement.
and we got to protect our valuable HDBs.
We can ensure the service life of concrete, and if we can extend that life.
Concrete blocks are a common building material used in many applications. These materials have variable porosity, which makes waterproofing them very difficult. Due to the high variability in block, the following steps can be applied on the positive, or more commonly, the negative side. It has a very high success rate in most filled block installations. Mixed for 3 to 5 minutes to achieve a uniform consistency. The first step is to stop any active water flow from the crack. This is done by filling the bottom half of it. The slot is filled by starting where there is the least water and working to the area of highest water flow.
Just a simple test by scraping and drilling the surface to prove how the crystallization has penetrated the surface.
The freshly poured concrete is first of all struck and screeded. After the concrete reaches an initial set and will support the weight of a power trowel machine, mix is blended with the concrete at the plant, or, as in this case, by pump. The poured concrete is then vibrated and consolidated to ensure that there are no voids to the concrete, and to install water into its pores and capillaries. This condition is essential